Hello, Right Recipe for Travel family. It's Cynthia. Welcome back to today's show. Well, today we're continuing on with our series of the newest ships for 2023. Welcome, Celebrity Ascent. The Celebrity Ascent begins cruising in fall of 2023, and we'll come back to this later and I'll give you some specific dates of the cruising and what you can expect when it comes to itineraries. If cruising is what you like to do, and maybe you love traveling on the newest ships sailing in the fleets, well then you are in for a treat. Meet the brand new Celebrity Ascent. The Celebrity Ascent will be the fourth in the Edge Class series, and according to their website, the most innovative ship in their fleet. The Ascent features 32 new and unique restaurants, bars, and lounges, and this does include the very newly designed Le Voyage by Chef Daniel Boulud. Now the Ascent, although the newest in the Edge series, does include some of the fan favorites, such as the inviting multi-deck sunset bar, which was designed for the Edge series by travel ambassador Nate Berkus. Also, it includes the open-air rooftop garden, where two cantilevered floating pools offer some beautiful views 6 feet over the edge of the ship. Now that we've done the exciting preview, let's dive deeper and take a look at what the Ascent has to offer. Top-notch accommodations include their spa-inspired Aqua Class staterooms, their infinite veranda staterooms that take you right to the very edge of the water, and of course the ever-popular retreat area, which features a private restaurant, private lounge, and a private sun deck for suite guests. When it comes to suites, let's take a look at the largest in their fleet, the Iconic Suite. 1,892 square feet of living space with a 689 square foot veranda. Wow. There's also the Penthouse Suite, the Edge Villa, the Royal Suite, the Celebrity Suite, the Aqua Sky Suite, and the Sky Suite. What does the Celebrity Ascent have to offer when it comes to food? Well, let's put it all on the table. 32 distinctive food and beverage experiences, and these include 14 different cafes, bars, and lounges, 8 specialty restaurants to choose from, with 4 main dining restaurants, 4 complimentary casual dining restaurants, and 2 exclusive restaurants. With all this to offer, we are absolutely sure you can find something that tempts your taste buds on the Ascent. Time to check out the spa with First at Sea fitness classes, as well as over 120 treatments, heated tile loungers, saunas and fitness rooms, and a rainfall water therapy room. Plus, check out the Peloton bikes when you take a workout class, fitness class at the state-of-the-art gym. Oh, and don't forget about beauty and barber treatments available. The Celebrity Ascent has a long list of activities for everyone's enjoyment. There are jazz clubs and Broadway-style shows, and there's plenty of activities for children of all ages. And don't forget the shopping and, of course, the casino for the big kids. Here is a look at the itineraries that I mentioned earlier. How about a 4-day Western Caribbean? out of Fort Lauderdale in November of 2023, or the 7-day San Juan, Tortola, and St. Kitts. Take a look at this 7-night Bahamas cruise. And what about a 7-day Greece, Turkey, and Italy cruise? And more Bahamas getaways. So what do you think? Are you ready for your own piece of paradise aboard the Celebrity Ascent? This ship looks amazing, and I've only briefly touched on some of the wonderful offerings that will be available on the Celebrity Ascent. Check out the website and book your cruise. So thanks so much for watching today's show. I hope you enjoyed this next brand new ship coming out in 2023. Stick with me for our next video, which will be all about MSC Eurybia. If you haven't joined the family already, what are you waiting for? Click down on that subscribe button. Thanks so much for joining us, and I'll catch you at the next adventure.